A very beautiful morning to my dear students. Students, can you read this line? Dog loves the boy his. Oops, what's the meaning of this line? I also don't know. This line or this sentence has not any meaning. So, let's get to know how to make a meaningful sentence. Here, I say the sentence, you say the sentence, then you write it. Means whatever you say or your friends say, that all are sentences. Here, the frog ate the pizza. No, the frog not ate the pizza. Sentence will be the frog hopped on the log. Yes, exactly. That will be a meaningful sentence. And here we ate the pizza. Okay? So, first of all, we will get to know what is sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes sense. Means a sentence has a meaningful sense. For example, Ron is playing football and the sun rises in the east. In both sentences, it has a full meaning. And you got the meaning very well. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Students, always remember that when are you going to write a sentence, you will start it with a capital letter here and you will end this sentence with full stop. For example, Sam loves ice cream. Here, Sam S will be in capital and in the end, we will use full stop. And here, the children are playing. T of the will be capital and in the end, we will use full stop. Read the given groups of words. First, to water, swim the. Second, this note print here. So put it. But he did not. These group of words do not make complete sense. They do not begin with capital letter, nor do they end with a full stop. When we speak, we use sentence, means whatever we say, that it will be a sentence, means we use to say something in sentence. Here I have an exercise. Here the given sentences do not make sense. Let's try to correct them. The first one we have here, tall is the building very. Here the building is the very tall. In the end we will use full stop. And in next, healthy is water, drink a coconut. Sentence will be, coconut water is a healthy drink. Bright, it is sunny and today. So sentence will be, it is bright and sunny today. And the last, math, I learning love. So sentence will be, I love learning math. Now, let's do your book work. Here we have a chapter number 1, words and sentences. So, first one is here. Help Minnie unjumble the words. Then match the words with their picture. You have to match. First is K-E-Y-D-O-N. So what it will be? Yes, donkey. Donkey. So where is donkey? Yes, this is a donkey. Next is docort. Yes, doctor. And you have to match it. Next is esro. Yes, rose. You have rearranged here, so it will be rose. Next, Bitra. What is this? Yes, Rabbit. Rabbit. Okay, and you have to match it. Next is Colatehok. I know it's your favorite. Chocolate. 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 Okay, now move on. Here, as you can see, a group of letters arranged in the correct order makes up a word. In the same manner which we have done, that there are some of letters and we have to rearrange them to making them a word. Next is a group of words arranged in the correct order makes up a sentence. So in the same manner we have a unjumbled words, okay, and we have to rearrange them to make them a meaningful sentence. Next, a sentence is a group of words that is complete in itself and makes sense. As I have told you, sentence has a meaningful sense. Okay, and a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Always remember, students, we start a sentence with a capital letter and ends with full stop. So let's do the exercise. Look at the picture, read the clues and fill in the blank. So here, first it lives in a pond. Who lives in a pond? Yes, duck. Next, it is the baby of a cat. Yes, it's kitten. Okay. Next, I have a very long neck. Who has a long neck? It's giraffe. Next, I love to eat honey. Who loves to eat? Yes, it's a bear. Next, I croak in the rainy season. It's a frog. Next exercise. Read each group of words, color the box blue if it is a sentence. Okay, you have to read the sentences here, and if it's a meaningful sentence, then you have to color it in blue color. So first one is here, a cartoon I'm watching I. No, it has no meaning, so you will leave it. Next is a bunch of flowers. It's a phrase here, no? And the next, you can draw well. Yes, you can draw well. This sentence has a meaning. This sentence has a sense. So we will color it. Okay. Fourth one, tomorrow is a holiday. Yes, good. This sentence has a meaning also. So we will color it. And the next, a beautiful picture. No, this sentence is incomplete sentence. Okay, and the next, Joe plays in the park every day. Yes, this sentence is a meaning. Joe plays in the park every day. You will color it. And the next, blue the sky. No, this has also phrase. Next, a cow gives us milk. Yes, good. This is a sentence. Okay, now move on. Here, these sentences tell us something. A sentence tells us something. It ends with a full stop. As I've told you, we always use to a full stop in the end of a sentence. Now, but look at here. Why is the sun so hot? Yes, this sentence has its meaning. How many eyes do you have? What is your favorite game? Do you have friends? So students, these sentences ask something. These are also sentences, but here they are asking something to us. So a sentence which asks something is called question. Okay, this is a question. It always ends with a question mark. Means when we have a simple sentence, we will use full stop in the end of the sentence. But when we have a question, then we have to put a question mark in the end of a sentence. Here we have an exercise. Read the following, put a full stop if it is a sentence, put a question mark if it is a question. So first one we have, this is a tall building. Yes, it's a sentence, so we will use full stop. Okay, next, do you like mangoes? So here they are asking a question, do. So, do you like mangoes? So we have to put question mark. Third, it is such a beautiful dress. Okay, it's a simple sentence. We have to put a full stop. Next, there are many flowers in the garden. Again, they are telling something else, something else about the flower. So we have to put full stop in the end. Next, are you going on a picnic on Saturday? So here they are asking a question to us. So we have to use question mark. And the next, is he going to Shimla? Again, they are asking something to us. Okay, so we have to put a question mark. Next, the river is deep here. Yes, they are telling us that river is very deep. So we have to add full stop. Next, this garland is made of marigold flower. So here, this is the simple sentence. We have to add full stop. Okay, students. Now, after this, we have a homework. We have a 5 sentences. You have to rearrange these sentences. Okay, unjumble words here, and you have to make a meaningful sentence. So it will be a homework. You have to write this in your notebooks. So it's enough for today. Have a nice day.